Well, just want to see what everybody thinks of this electric. Lots of stuff. The Nicola, this one, the ATV now. I want to hear what everybody thinks. Who would do this? Trade in their Raptor for one of these? It's pretty crazy, but it's all happening. Here we are, this new Tesla ATV.
Anyway, thank you guys for coming.
Reveal. Wow.
And I think it's going to be a great party, and you'll love riding around this thing. It's great. All right, thank you. Oh, wait. We have...
Secret. Side by side, you're going electric. Why not ATVs, right?
Should we do the... Oh yeah. We also made an ATV. So... Let's bring it out.
Look how high the truck is now. Starting to sag down. Regardless of all the opinions, it's interesting. No matter what, it's something else. The things you thought would never happen are starting to happen. Wow.
So you can see the truck. This is what I mean by the adaptive air suspension. Yeah, nice work, by the way.
Compared to
so the adaptive air suspension, you can drop
and
real low.
Yamaha Raptor in the back.
High on the other side. We call this load mode. So you got load mode. You got a built-in ramp. So you can take a ATV or dirt bike, whatever you want, and load it on the back.
Wow.
Yes. Oh, and it's currently plugged in and charging. Yeah. See, look at the car is adjusting itself. So you can go like real tight on the freeway, and you can do a way high off-roading. Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Crazy.